Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a quick one. It's just someone asked me about like how do you get certain textures on bass lines. I know a lot of you guys already know the stuff, but it's just a super quick video just to get it out there. So this is the kick and bass here. Cool. So if you wanna just change the normal texture of your bass, like the ones that they use in most guys use, I have a list. So normally you can just use a bit crusher. I think if you just do it like 3 or 4, it should be enough. So you know the classic before. Okay, cool. So yeah, you can just play with taste, whichever one you like. So that's like your normal one that you hear on a lot of dance floors. And then another one is in Saturn that I hear a lot is so in the Fab Filter Saturn drums acoustic drum tempo. This one I hear quite a bit. So this is before, after. Yeah. So I hear that one quite a few on the dance floors. And then another one is normal quadrifuzz. I know a lot of you guys in Ableton don't have quadrifuzz, but I'm sure there's a multi frequency distortion plugin that you can kind of get something similar. And it's very simple. On this frequency band here, this 1.5 to 10k, you just put the distortion on and you give it a little bit of drive, and you'll hear before, after, cool. Hope you enjoyed that. Something quick and short, just to just get that question out the way. Thanks for watching, guys.